Good afternoon to all of my friends and family. I'm joining in with Patti and Kathy's Open Collab the last Monday of the month. This month it is hearts. So I made a fairy garden to do with hearts. And you know, you could do anything you wanted. It could be a fairy garden, it could be cooking, it could be crafts, tablescape, anything you want. They're a great group and they awesome how easy they make the challenges to be. And today, Patti is going to be making heart-shaped sugar cookies. Doesn't that sound good? Now let's go see what Kathy's favorite things doing. And here's the other awesome channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. Please think about joining in with Patti and Kathy. They're both awesome creators and they make all their challenges super simple and easy. This one, you just had to do something to do with hearts. And as you can see, Kathy's sharing all her heart jewelry with us. Well, let's see what everyone else is doing. Please check out that playlist. Well, this was a fairy garden that looked very pretty a while back. But as you can see, it has to do a little cleaning up, I think. Let's get busy and start cleaning and making a wonderful fairy garden. Well, we got it sort of cleaned out. This is at least a start. We can see if we can get it looking a little better. Now, I didn't pull any plants out. I just sort of put them back a little bit and got some supports to keep them back for we can see the new fairy garden. Well, let's get to the next step. Well, I started it with my little fairy trailer for Valentine's. As you can see, there's a heart in the door, flowers in the flower box, and it says, I love you. Doesn't it look cute? Okay, let's get busy. Let's get this thing finished. To make the trailer be up a little bit higher from the very front, I don't know if you can tell or not, it may not look like it, but the trailer is actually up setting up higher than this part down here to give it some more depth in here. Now I did put the smallest little bunch of flowers that I paid $1 for from Walmart in first behind the trailer, and the white ones you see are real plants that are sitting in little pots, and I brought them over to give a little more color and contrast to this fairy garden. So let's get busy and put some more color in here. Well, here I have my moss down. We're still building upon what we already have. Now we're not done. It's going to look a lot better in just a few more minutes. Just hang in there, my guys. Well, it's looking better. Look how beautiful it's starting to look. Just keep hanging in there. We're going to even do more. Well, I think we're pretty well done. What do you think? Sorry, my lighting isn't very good, but it took so long to put this together. Now I have lighting problems. Oh well, we just do the best we can when you're working outside. Thought it turned out pretty nice. We'll start with the beautiful flowers. Didn't it turn out pretty? And of course, I love these beautiful wooden heart cutouts. Added a little bird nest just to give a little more interest. Brought some more live plants in here and here. And I brought some little fairies in. Made a little pathway to the trailer. And of course added some more moss. It's amazing what a little bit of moss can do. And then I have my little tree here. It has a little tire swing. Isn't it cute? I really love it. I've had it for a year or two. Now this is just a temporary for a photo op only, so I have my
Mackenzie Child mushrooms out here. They will definitely not be staying out here. They're just out here to get their pictures taken. And the same with my little fairies. They're just out here for a little photo op. They will not be staying out in the garden either. Basically, I just leave my little Dollar Tree fairies out. Most of my nice fairies I don't, because they just get wrecked out here. Believe it or not, this beautiful Valentine's trailer, I've had it for about 3 or 4 years, and it has been outside the whole time. And I think it's holding up pretty good. It does need to have a little bit of touching up on the paint, I think, now, but considering how long it's been out in the garden, I think it's looking great. Did you notice all the detail work on it? All the little red hot pink, or whatever color those hearts are. The trailer's pink. I guess those are red. But there's a lot of little hearts there, because this was a heart theme, and I thought I did pretty good. The trailer door, the chain, the trim on the trailer has hearts, and then the wooden hearts I made a fence out of it that goes all the way around, and then I added some more of them into the flowers, because I just love them. Let me know what you thought. I thought it turned out pretty nice. I love doing fairy gardens. I hope you enjoy watching how I did this. It really wasn't that difficult or hard. It just took me time to find all the pieces and bring them out. A lot of these pieces came from the house. The little tire swing and tree, it's usually out here, but I usually have it put in a box for I can use it again and again. That's why it looks brand new when it's not. The Mackenzie Child mushrooms are from the house, and the fairies were from the house. So it looked pretty good. The total cost of this was, we'll say $15. The only thing that was new here that I haven't used before, these are brand new flowers I just got, and I don't even know, I think I have used the wooden cutouts before in a post. So maybe we're only at $13 or $14. Anyway, that's all I spent, because most everything here are things I already own, had, and have used in past posts. Well, I take that back. It probably was $16. That one piece of moss was brand new. All the other moss you see in here is moss I've had for at least a year. But you know, moss, doesn't hold up too great, and so it's usually kept in a bag, and I only bring it out for its photo op, because I spent too much money in the past for moss. So I keep it in a box now, or in a bag, and bring it out when I'm ready to shoot a video.